Hello, this is the MIM US Stock Market Daily Briefing.
Wall Street found relief on Wednesday, but not permission to relax. Based on preliminary closing data, the S&P 500 gained 0.24%, the Nasdaq Composite rose 0.15%, and the Dow advanced 0.23%. The rebound followed an unexpected move from the U.S. Treasury. It announced plans to double the size of its liquidity-support buybacks for longer-term government bonds. That pushed the 30-year Treasury yield down nearly 10 basis points to approximately 5.19%, after it reached 5.34% on Tuesday, its highest level since 2007. However, the Federal Reserve delivered a different message. Minutes from its July meeting showed that several policymakers were prepared to raise interest rates. Many participants believed further tightening would be necessary if inflation failed to return toward the Fed's 2% target. The Fed held rates at 3.50% to 3.75% in July, but three policymakers voted for a 25 basis point increase. The minutes contained no support for a rate cut. Healthcare led Wednesday's advance and reached a record high. Moderna surged after its personalized cancer therapy, developed with Merck, met key goals in a late-stage melanoma trial. Technology remained weaker, with semiconductor stocks finishing lower. Marvell was a notable exception after announcing a custom chip partnership with Google. Retail earnings provided another positive signal. Target reported 3.8% comparable sales growth and raised its annual sales outlook. Lowe's earned $4.27 per share, beating expectations, although revenue missed estimates and the company lowered its annual sales forecast. Oil remained the major inflation risk. Brent settled at $91.62 per barrel, while WTI reached $85.83 as uncertainty surrounding the Strait of Hormuz continued. For Thursday, investors will watch Walmart's earnings, weekly jobless claims, the Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Survey, and the U.S. Leading Economic Index. The market received temporary relief from falling yields, but the Fed minutes confirmed that the interest rate threat has not disappeared.
This has been today's MIM US Stock Market Daily Briefing.